Welcome back. I've changed my name. I'm the Fashion Freak. So welcome back for another week of amazing videos. This week we have a favorite on my channel, Forever 21. So they had like a 40% off sale stuff. So I don't know, it can't really show up on camera, but their bags have labels now. Before they were just a plain white bag. So yes, Forever 21, it says www.canada.forever21.com. That's too long to type in. But anyway, I got a few items. They screwed me up. I'm kind of angry with them because they lied to me in the email. They kept on sending me emails like it was supposed to end Canada Day, which is the 1st. Then they sent me an email the night before and saying it's extended to the 2nd. I tried to order on the 2nd with the code again. It didn't work. And then for America, it was extended to July 4th. And they're like, call back on the Friday, which I believe was July 4th or the Thursday. And I'm just like, I was going to Montreal. I didn't have time. So the couple things that I didn't get, they're already in sale, but I could have got more off. I'm just going to order them. So next month, stay tuned because I bought 4 items from the store that I didn't include in this haul. So I'm just going to, I guess, because I'm not going to get that much stuff from the web. It's like 3 main things I need. So I'll just put that together. So next month, look out for that. I go to Forever 21 all the time. But let's get started. I'm going to start with the first thing I'm wearing. I got my paper out so we can be exact. So what I'm wearing, fabulous t-shirt. I love it. This is the Hustle graphic print tee. It's just a plain white top that has Hustle all over it. I don't know if they made it in black with white writing because I probably would have got that too. But the full price, because it popped off the tag, the full price was $16.90, but the current selling price in Canada is $10.99. And with my discount, I paid $6.59 for this shirt. So for less than a combo at Mickey D's, and I really like it. I bought men's small, and I'm happy I did because I usually buy medium in men's. And this is made oversized because usually small hits me right after my hips. This actually covers my whole bum. So yeah, I would consider this an oversized top. So this is the first thing. I'll put it in the pop-up. So let's go to the second thing. Second thing is another t-shirt. And it's this t-shirt. It looks oversized too because yeah, small runs a bit smaller usually. And I would say this one is a bit thicker than this one. This one's a bit thinner, but it's never catch feelings. Kids, this is the model you live by. So yeah, I like this. This also, I believe, came in black with this in white, but it looked more effective in white. And I like white tees anyway. So this full price says $13.90. And then I got it original, like sale price currently, if you just want to buy it and there's no coupon, it's only $8.99. But I paid $5.39 for it. So once again, the price of like just a Big Mac, okay? Or just any burger at McDonald's. Even some burgers are more expensive than this. So I don't eat McDonald's, but that was way worth it. Okay, I'm going to save the best item for last. Exactly. I have a couple things. So now here's this. I'm going to tell you a little backstory on this. This dress also comes in white. I wanted the white one since October 2017. It came out last summer. Forever 21 had this shirt. Full price was $24.90. I believe on the website, I think it's the same price. Yeah, it's $16.99. It's almost October again. For a year, they've had it at the same price. Forever 21 sometimes is jerks. I feel like once a season is done, you should like, if it was $24.99, it should be at least 50% off in the winter and following until you sell it out. And half of that would have been 12 bucks. No, they're not doing that. So I want to get the next one, but I guess I got to wait for the code because I'm not paying $16.99. And it's this t-shirt dress. And why I liked it is because it has lace at the sleeves and lace at the bottom. So I think by itself, like my butt would like cut right here, but with the lace it makes it appropriate. And I like it. It's like a band tee. It just says Romantic Revolution, but there's the date. And then in the front, it just says America Tour. It's like a fake band, 1997. The one I wanted, I'll put a picture of it. The white one was really nice. And I plan to wear this like in the winter time with like a leather jacket. And then I have like lace booties for like a girly like biker look. So yeah, but I want to get the white one too, but I just got this one first because they had a different black one, but the graphic was different. The graphic was ugly. This one wasn't there last year. This one they added to it. The white one was there though. So I'm happy I got the lace though. feels a little thin and cheap. Like on the website when I show the picture, it looks a bit more expensive than this. So that's why you see it's good to get things on sale for dirt cheap. So like I said, full price of this was $24.90. Current selling price is $16.99 in the sale department. I, however, got it for $10.90. You know, and I wish that, like, I ordered this a couple days before I paid my rent. I wish I like ordered more because like Forever 21's, they're turning into a light scam. Okay, I'm gonna save the best item as usual for last. The best item as well I wanted from last year's summer, and I finally got it for the price I wanted. Okay, this was something I randomly popped into, which I'm gonna buy another color of because it was a good deal. Full price is $17.99, and it's this cropped hoodie. I don't really own, I own cropped sweaters, but they're like crew neck, and it's like a knitted sweater. I don't own like sweater material. I own one, okay, from Boohoo, but that's even thinner. This is an actual sweater material that's cropped. So I really like this for fall or for summer nights. Full price was $17.90. On Forever 21 Canada's website is currently listed at $11.99, and I got this for $7.19. And they have this color, they have navy, which I'm gonna get, they have burgundy, and then they have like a bit of a lighter blue, like a medium blue, a bit over from navy. But there is no, I believe the burgundy and the other blue I think has small, but as for black and navy, you can only get medium or large, which I don't mind because I have a high torso. And you see, still, like, if I line it up with my shoulders, like, if I raise my hand, it may show my bra strap. So this could have been a bit longer, but I feel like large would have just been more boxy in the arms and in the torso, not that much longer. So I'm satisfied. So yeah, even if I have to pay $11.99, it's good quality. I'll probably get the navy one. So for 21, that's a good look. And finally, the last item. Like I said, wanted this item from last summer. Full price, I believe, was like $60. But it wasn't worth it. And yeah, full price was $48 Canadian. I paid on the well, current selling price is $34 Canadian on the website. I paid $20.54, which I'm very proud of, because I wanted this, and they have a cropped gold or silver puffer. It was like a $70 jacket that they've had for $40 for like almost a damn year now. So I'm waiting either to get that on sale or I'll just buy it. I think current selling price, I think, is like 30 bucks, 34. I'll probably buy it because I really like it. Or hopefully before winter they have another 40% off. I can grab it because then it would be the same thing. It would be 20 bucks, and that's about what these jackets are worth. So, okay, it looks a little different in person. I'm also going to crop this jacket because it's a bit longer than I would like it. But it's this black denim, which is my first black jean. I have like every color blue and every color length. I don't own one black jacket. So finally I have black denim, and it's cropped, but it's a bit like on the model, and I bought a small C. It comes like to my belly. So I probably, this whole, where this button is, all of this is going to go. All of this is going to go. I think it's going to look better shorter. Like if it didn't have this detail, I probably would cut to the second button realistically. You see? Yeah, that's cropped to me, but one will be good enough. Anyways, it's this jacket, and why I bought this, if you were alive in the 90s, LA Gear Sneakers had a sneaker. I owned it, and so did one of my friends. We talk about it all the time. I'll actually insert a picture of the sneaker because to date, this is one of my favorite sneakers. If you know where to buy this, go in the comments, tell me. I'll buy it again because I just remember I got it when I was like 9 or 10. I was probably a size 3. I remember that. I wore that. If I got it at 10, I wore that shoe until I was 13 and my foot was a damn size 5. Okay, but I loved it so much, and it was a good quality because that's when I realized that when I like things, I take care of them. So honestly, it was old, but it pretty much, because I cleaned it, washed the laces, like I kept those shoes good for a young child. But anyways, this reminds me of it because the sneakers have this like twisted detail in the leather. And we were looking the other day. I can't find my color. My color was pink with purple, but I also wanted the hot pink with black. My friend, she had pink, I think, with the hot green. I'll show all the variations because they're like my favorite shoes. For adults, they had black with red or black with gray. LA Gear, man, LA Gear. So yeah, it's this jacket. It's my favorite, and they actually sent me an email asking me how I like it. So I'm gonna try it on in the tryouts, and then I'm gonna email back when I know exact. Oh, good, and they didn't put anything behind. So if you wear like a colored shirt, you'll see. So yeah, this is it. Just a little small haul, but at least, you know what I mean? All that stuff with tax and delivery, or I got free delivery, but with tax, I paid like 60 bucks for that stuff, so I wished I didn't have to pay my rent, because I would have spent at least 120, and I would have got most of the things I wanted. But it's okay. It's okay. You live and you learn. So I would like to thank everyone once again for staying to the end. I would like to thank my new subscribers, because every day I get a couple new ones. And stay tuned. Next week, it's an accessory haul. That's all I'm going to leak. It's an accessory haul, but it's fuego fire. It's like things that I've wanted to buy for like a while now. And I finally I'm using eBay. I got a coupon, so I saved a little bucks. So yeah, next week is another haul. And then next month, we're going to start next month with I went to Montreal, so I'm just editing that vlog. So that would be the beginning of next month, and then back to hauls, because I am the fashion freak. So yes, thank you once again. Like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll see you next week. Fashion freak.